So I just got done mowing this section of grass with the cylinder mower over there. I've got 9 bags of Milorganite right here. So for the 7,500 square foot section, to put it down at bag rate, I need to put down 3 bags. I've never put Milorganite down at bag rate. So I'm gonna kind of go heavy. I've got 20,000 feet and I kind of want to do the whole lawn. So for 20,000 feet, I figure I'm gonna need about 8 bags of Milorganite. I've got 9 here, so I'm gonna try to spread 9 over the whole 20,000 feet. So I know I've shared my fertilizer spreading secret before, but I'll just explain it to you again. The best and easiest way for me to figure out a fertilizer setting is just to look at the hole right here and go up and down with your setting and choose a setting. So that looks like about, let's try that right there. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. So let's start out with that. So I want to start out with that setting right there and kind of see. I need to spread 3 bags over this section and 8 bags total on the whole lawn. So here we go. Okay, so I've got 2 bags of Milorganite in this 80-pound hopper. Need to spread 3 over just this section on this side of the walkway. So here we go. Okay, so I just need to say one thing. That drain right there does not drain to the streets. It does not drain to the waterways. It drains to a pit. So when I built this house and when I improved and made this drain, I dug about a 10-foot pit and filled it up with 3-inch gravel. And then I put that there and it's sitting on top of the gravel. And then I put maybe a foot or 2 of soil. So that just drains straight down into the ground. So I don't want to hear this business of, you're getting chemicals down into the drain, because I'm not. This doesn't go anywhere but straight down. So I just went over the lawn in one direction and I put down 2 bags. So that's a pretty good setting for the fertilizer setting, I'd say, because I want to go in the other direction. So I need this last bag to go over this section. I'm not going to do that 3,000 square foot over on that side. On this side of the flower bed, because I put that 13 essentials down there. I don't want to put anything down there because it's supposed to be the best thing since sliced bread for the lawn. So I don't want to put anything there and do it as a test plot. So I just got a little cowboy there and started throwing her down. So that's gonna pretty well do it for me tonight. Mowed, Milorganite at bag rate. Very happy with that. I'm gonna see how this goes. So I'm hoping for that slow nitrogen release. I wanna show you guys really quick something. Somebody asked about this. So this right here is Poa. If you can see, it was all right here and I pulled it out and filled this little hole in with sand. But you can see these little seed heads, they're kind of still here everywhere, unfortunately. It's a bad deal. That's Poa right there. So in addition to that, I'm pretty sure this is Poa here, that's Poa, and that's Poa right there. It's unfortunate that I have that, but I do, and I just have to deal with it. It's always that color, and it just straight up is no fun. So I'm not sure what to do about that. I might try tenacity on that here pretty soon. So here's another patch right here. I'm pretty sure this is Poa. So if you just kind of pull it up like this, it's got these long stringy grass blades that are kind of hard like this. Kind of thick and hard. So I'm pretty sure that's Poa. It's an unfortunate situation, but it's what I'm dealing with. So anyways, I've got these patches of Poa here. I mowed, I fertilized, and you know, with these patches of Poa, I've got Kentucky bluegrass in here. I'm not really sure what 4 varieties of Kentucky bluegrass I've got in here. I've overseed with tons and tons of rye, all different varieties really. And I was kind of thinking about doing the renovation. I know I brought that up a couple videos ago, but I am kind of strongly considering doing it and seeing how it goes. I mean, for me, it would kind of be a fun project to kind of see it all come up and then to show you how it works. Maybe I might do that, maybe not. If I do decide to do that, I'm gonna get the best Kentucky bluegrass that I can get for this section. My only concern is that if I do that here, I'm worried that I will lose my flatness of the lawn. I don't know if I will or won't, but that's the only thing that majorly concerns me. So anyways, that's all I've got for you today. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. Throw her down, and I will see you in the next video.